In this video, we are going to discuss why heat pumps are essential for the future. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates on the latest science and technology breakthroughs that affect our everyday lives. A heat pump is a heating system that, like a furnace or boiler, provides heat for your house or business without using fuel. The same equipment used in air conditioners and heat transfer technique are employed in heat pumps. In order to take heat from an interior space and discharge it outside of a building, air conditioners employ closed-loop refrigerant systems. Simply by switching the direction of the heat flow, heat pumps draw heat from the outside and release it inside a structure. Heat pumps are still able to collect heat and deliver it to an indoor environment even in lower ambient temperatures. The majority of heat pumps are also reversible, allowing them to offer cooling or warmth depending on the season. This might be a component of an extremely effective heating and cooling system that can move up to 3 times as much energy as it uses. Here are some of the reasons that describe why heat pumps are essential for the future. Efficient and effective temperature and comfort management. Heat pump adoption is accelerating throughout all primary heating markets, including North America, after being a mainstay in Europe and Asia for decades. The technology has traditionally been used in milder areas, where it rarely gets below freezing for an extended period of time. Any heating and cooling system must manage temperature and comfort at the same time. But as heat pump technology advances, heat pumps are up to the task in climates all over the world. Take Florida as an example, where summers are hot and muggy and winters are colder. Florida has one of the highest per capita residential electricity demands in the nation, according to the U.S. Energy Information Administration. This is partly because air conditioners are used a lot during the summer, and because over 90% of Florida households use electricity for heating. Heat pump systems are becoming more popular among Florida homeowners as a result of their capacity to reduce energy costs by up to 40% without compromising comfort. In Florida, heat pumps account for over 40% of new system installations. Leading contractors also appreciate how simple it is to sell and install heat pumps. In addition to space heating, business and residential buildings utilize heat pumps to warm their water. Virmatajijabai Technological Institute, or VJTI, based in Mumbai, India, began a new chapter in energy savings, thanks to Emerson's products and solutions. In order to produce 5,000 liters of hot water daily, while saving up to 72% on energy, compared to conventional water heating systems, VJTI installed heat pumps in student residences as part of a pilot project. Heat pumps are the best chance to meet global heating and cooling needs through innovation. Despite the fact that heat pump technology is not new, improvements over the past 20 years have allowed for its usage in colder areas and raised their overall energy efficiency. More people and companies are also thinking about eco-friendly ways to heat and cool their homes and other buildings, with heat pumps emerging as a promising solution given recent technological developments. The compressor represents the main improvement. Compressors, the brains of heat pumps and air conditioners, power the refrigerant cycle and use the majority of the energy in a heat pump system. Emerson, a pioneer in compression technology, offers cutting-edge heating and cooling systems with compressors built to support heat pumps in delivering the best performance for indoor comfort. Prior to these advancements in compression, single-speed compressors restricted the use of heat pumps to areas where the heating and cooling requirements were nearly equal, more temperate climates without significant temperature swings. But today, heat pumps operate more efficiently and may be deployed in a wider range of geographic locations. Systems with Copeland variable speed or 2-stage compressors from Emerson produce hotter supply air, a significant comfort benefit for heat pumps by retaining capacity at low ambient temperatures. Additionally, summer humidity control is greatly enhanced with variable speed or 2-stage compressors, with homes benefiting from an almost immediate 20% to 25% reduction in humidity. To increase system reliability and serviceability, Copeland compressors additionally include diagnostic and protective features. More Copeland scroll compressors than any other brand have been installed globally, with many of them being utilized in heat pumps. Heat pumps contribute to the sustainable solutions that are needed. Heat pumps are easily accessible options that can assist in meeting the demand for more sustainable space and water heating as the globe concentrates on lowering greenhouse gas emissions. In his 2021 book, How to Avoid a Climate Disaster, Bill Gates, who believes we need to be quicker and better about employing heat pumps and other modern technologies to make a significant contribution to decarbonization, gave the device a shout-out. The good news is that heat pump technology has already begun to be adopted. In 2020, almost 180 million heat pumps were utilized for heating, with the global stock having grown by almost 10% annually over the previous 5 years. A step toward a zero-carbon system can be made by taking the decision to replace furnaces and boilers that generate heat with effective electric heat pumps. New regulations, incentives, and tax breaks, from homeowner heat pump grants in the UK to a commitment in Germany that every new home heating system must run on 65% renewable energy by 2025, will significantly influence technology selection toward low-carbon solutions like heat pumps over fossil fuel boilers and furnaces. These measures range from utility grid updates included in the United States Build Back Better framework to homeowner heat pump grants in the UK. Increasing numbers of customers and companies are installing heat pumps as a result of improved comfort, cost, and energy savings, and a desire for environmental responsibility. These particular choices can have a significant effect. Consider commercial structures. In commercial settings, heating and cooling contribute 30% of CO2 emissions. In residential settings, this percentage rises to 38%. A more energy-efficient replacement for fossil fuel furnaces and water heaters that burn natural gas and heating oil and produce direct emissions of CO2 is switching to a heat pump. Additionally, heat pumps are more effective than electric resistance heating. A step toward a zero-carbon system can be taking the decision to replace furnaces and boilers that generate heat with effective electric heat pumps. As nations develop 100% renewable electricity generation systems to supply heat pumps and other domestic electrical appliances, a second, more significant step is being taken. If the electricity is produced using a cleaner energy source, such as wind, solar, hydro, or nuclear power, switching from fossil fuel-based heat to electric heat pumps also reduces indirect carbon emissions. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.